Today we will learn about the most popular instrument in the world, the guitar.
Modern guitars evolved from the lute, which was a stringed instrument dating way back to the ancient Greeks and Arabs. George Beauchamp and Adolf Rickenbacker invented their electric guitar in 1931. It was called the frying pan.
Okay, everyone, time for a musical movement minute. So everybody stand up.
Hey guys, I'm Sophie, and my friends and I are going to teach you how to play the air guitar. First, get a really cool song. Second, grab your guitar. And third, rock out like this.
Now let's look and listen to some of the basic styles and parts of the acoustic and the electric guitar.
First, we have an acoustic classical or Spanish guitar with nylon strings. And here's the classic Fender Stratocaster electric guitar.
Now, let's examine some of the main parts of acoustic and electric guitars.
A luthier is someone who builds and fixes guitars. Let's start with the acoustic. Here's the body. It's hollow and it's made of wood. Well, the body is solid wood, not hollow like the acoustic. This white piece is called the faceplate.
Now it's time to learn about a few of the early guitar players that helped make the guitar one of the coolest and most popular instruments of all time.
Sounds good, Maestro. Let's start with Les Paul. Sister Rosetta Tharpe was a pioneer of electric guitar by mixing gospel and rock. She was gospel music's first crossover artist, and many call her the original soul sister. This is Jimi Hendrix. He was a creative genius on electric guitar and really smart about the way he used sound and volume on amplifiers.
Finally, let's check out some of the most creative and exciting guitar players of modern times.
Jennifer Batten is an awesome studio and stage guitar player. She's played guitar on some of the biggest hits ever recorded, like this one. Carlos Santana is a Mexican-American musician who became famous in the late 1960s and early 1970s with his band Santana. There are all kinds of guitars out there, and maybe you'll be able to find one you like to play.